आज से हम 11th की फिजिक्स स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम लेते हैं फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज। सो वी हैव फिजिकल क्वांटिटी। Physical quantity. We understand what is physical quantity. We know physics is the study of nature and natural phenomena. To understand a natural phenomena completely, or to describe a natural phenomena completely, we need physical quantities. So we define what is physical quantity. So physical quantity definition: a quantity is said to be a quantity is said to be a physical quantity if number one, it is linked to a natural phenomena. It is linked to a natural phenomena. Number two, it can be measured. It can be measured. So a quantity is said to be a physical quantity if it is linked to a natural phenomenon and it can be measured. So from here we observe that if a quantity cannot be measured, then that quantity is not a physical quantity. For a physical quantity, measurement is necessary. तो ये है। नाउ फिजिकल क्वांटिटी को मैथमेटिक्स में कैसे एक्सप्रेस करते हैं? तो लेट देयर बी ए एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ फिजिकल क्वांटिटी। एक्सप्रेशन, let P be a physical quantity, then we write P is equal to N into U. P is a physical quantity, N is numerical value of the physical quantity. Numerical value of the physical quantity, and U is unit of the physical quantity. Unit of the physical quantity. So what we see here, to express a physical quantity, we need two things. One is numerical value and another is its unit. So P is equal to N into U. For example, if we take a rod and we measure its length, and the length of the rod is measured as 5 meter. What is 5 meter? 5 meter is the length of the rod. So we write L for length of the rod. So we have L is equal to 5 meter. What is this L? This L is length of the rod. तो रॉड के लेंथ को मैंने मेजर किया, तो फिजिकल क्वांटिटी मेरी क्या हो गई? दिस इज लेंथ. लेंथ इज आवर फिजिकल क्वांटिटी. दिस इज पी. पी में क्या क्या होना चाहिए? तो पी में होना चाहिए एन न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू और यूनिट उसकी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी की. तो 5 इज द एन न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू ऑफ एल पी. ठीक है. एंड व्हाट इज एम? एम इज इट्स एप्रोप्रिएट यूनिट. लेंथ की एप्रोप्रिएट यूनिट क्या है? मीटर है. सो L is equal to 5m. 5m means what? 5 times magnitude of the meter. So what is L? Length of the rod. Length of the rod is 5 times the magnitude of meter. So 5 is numerical value and m is its unit. So in centimeter we can also express the length of the rod. So we write L is equal to 5 meter means 500 centimeter. So we write L is equal to 5 meter and is equal to 500 centimeter. Also we write 5000 millimeter. We write 5000 millimeter. Because 1 meter is 100 centimeter and 1 meter is 1000 millimeter. So for 5 meter we can write 500 centimeter for the length L and we write 5000 millimeter for the length L. So here we observe that this is the numerical value in 5 meter. 5 is the numerical value and in 500 centimeter 500 is the numerical value. So these numerical values are different. So we write this value as n1 and this unit as u1. This value is n2, this unit is u2. This value is n3 and this value is u. This unit is n3. So what we observe here? We observe here, smaller the unit, larger its numerical value, and larger unit, smaller numerical value. So we write smaller the unit of a physical quantity, we write smaller the unit of a physical quantity, larger its numerical value. Smaller the unit, larger the numerical value. So we also say larger the unit, smaller the numerical value. So we write larger the unit of a physical quantity, smaller its numerical value. So from this statement, we observe that the relation between n and u. What is the relation? We observe from here, numerical value of a physical quantity is inversely proportional to its unit. That is, the product of numerical value and its unit is constant. So nu is equal to constant. From here we can also write n1 u1 equal to n2 u2 equal to n3 u3 and so on. What is n1 and n2? n1 and n2, here n1 and n2 are different numerical values, of a physical quantity in different units. When unit is in meter, we have the length 5 meter. When unit is centimeter, we have the length 500 centimeter. That's all. इसमें आपको जो ना समझ में आया हो हमसे कमेंट करके पूछिएगा, और कल हम आपको नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में आपको टाइप्स ऑफ फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज बताएंगे. ओके.